Kia Motors, the South Korean brand, recently clocked 100,000 car sales in just a year's time of entering India. Now, how do you achieve such milestones? Well, by offering world-class products with an affordable price tag. Kia now is ready with another such offering for the Indian market, this time a compact SUV, and has named it Sonet. Here's our first impressions of the design. The Sonet is one of the most important products for Kia Motors in India. After the success of Seltos mid SUV, Kia is now aiming at the compact SUV segment, which is the most competitive yet most lucrative segment for the Indian buyers. And one of the most important factors for any compact SUV buyer is the design. Up front is the signature tiger nose grille, flanked by crown jewel LED headlamps and heartbeat LED DRLs. The prominent skid plate and the large fog lamp housing adds to the bulk. On the side is a sub 4 meter body packed neatly to create a masculine look. There are roof rails, alloy wheels and body cladding to add to the mass. However, it is the rear that stands out in the segment thanks to the connected taillight unit with heartbeat LED tail lamps, dual muffler design and a large skid plate. While the Kia Sonet looks appealing in the regular trim, which Kia is calling Tech line, it is even more eye-catching in the GT line, as we predicted during the 2020 Auto Expo, where the Sonet was displayed for the first time. Here's the clip.
Just to point it out, you said red inserts. If you remember in Seltos also there's a GTX and the HTX line. Yes. So they are giving those red inserts to the aspirational, to the people who want to buy that sportiness aspect, and for the family members they are giving those HTX versions. So I am hopeful that they'll give the dual trim version in the Sonet as well.
What changes in the GT line trim is an extra dash of sportiness thanks to the black high glossy grille with GT line logo and red accents on front, piano black finish at the rear, skid plates with red accents, among others. The GT line trim is also carried inside the cabin with a D-cut steering wheel, adding to its sporty appeal, red stitching on the steering wheel, seats and door armrests. Speaking of the cabin in general, while the Sonet is full of segment first features, 30 to be precise, the design is also segment best to say the least. The center of attraction is the 10.25-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system, which is the largest in the segment. The vertically stacked AC vents are placed below the system, flanking the AC control buttons, among others. Bose premium 7-speaker system has been added to enhance the acoustic experience inside the car. Smart air purifier with virus protection, front driver and passenger ventilated seats, LED sound mood lamps, smartphone wireless charger with cooling function are some of the standout features from an exhaustive list. Kia Sonet also gets brand's Yuvo connectivity system with 57 commands including remote engine start for both automatic and manual transmission. In terms of safety features, the Kia Sonet gets 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, hill assist, TPMS and more. Lastly, the powertrain options. While Kia has not disclosed the engine options, we are anticipating a 1.2-litre petrol, a 1.5-litre diesel and a 1-litre turbo engine with 140 PS power rating, the same as Hyundai Venue. The highlight will be the gearbox, which is a 6-speed IMT technology or intelligent manual transmission. The gearbox helps you to shift the gear like manual transmission in the H format without the use of clutch. If Kia is able to match the build quality and driving dynamics of the Seltos in Sonet, we have a potential winner in the segment. The Kia Sonet looks eye-catching, has some unique and interesting features, and of course, Kia's build quality. How good is it to drive? We can only tell you in a few days' time. For now, we are impressed with the overall design of the Kia Sonet, both inside and out. Keep watching News 18 Auto for the detailed review soon.